Hi, it's Caitlin Jenkins, family law vlogger here. Today on the vlog, we're continuing our journey through the stages of divorce, and in particular Form E, the disclosure form. We've got to the income section now. So there are 5 pages for different categories of income in the standard Form E. The first is about employed income. So if you're employed, so basically if you have PAYE, and that's the page to fill in. It's the first page of the income section. You need to attach some documents. The clues are at the top of the page. It'll tell you what to attach. But if you're employed, it'll be your P60, it'll be your last 3 months of pay slips, and a P11D if you have one. So that's the first of the pages. The next one is if you're self-employed or in a partnership, then you put the information in there. You'll need either the self-employment accounts or the partnership accounts, and your net and gross income, perhaps from your tax returns, is probably the easiest thing. And you're likely to attach tax returns in relation to your income if you're anything other than PAYE, and the form will tip you off to do that. So follow the form on that one. Third area is other types of interest. So things like dividends from shares or rental income, if you've got a buy-to-let, those sorts of things, or interest on bank accounts or savings or investments, that goes in the third section there. Next section is income from forms of state support. So it might be your state pension if you're in receipt of state pension in payment, or things like child benefit or other forms of benefit. So that goes in that section there. And there's some documents you might need to provide to document the evidence of that. Then the final section is any other income. So anything that you haven't covered as a source of income within those other categories that haven't been prompted by the other pages of income goes in there. So by the time you've completed the income section, you should have completed any income that you've got from all the different assets that you've also disclosed. That's where those income figures go in. And then we'll move on to the summary page, which has got totals of all the different assets. And in the next vlog, we're going to talk about the schedule of outgoings, the schedule of expenditure, which is the next category of topic that the Form E asks you to provide, because by now you've filled in the capital section, you've filled in the income section, and there's a liabilities section too, and then we'll get to the schedule of outgoings. So as always with the family law vlog, we can only give general information. If you need specific advice on your circumstances, then please contact me or one of my specialist colleagues in the Mills Reeve Family and Children team, and our details are below the vlog. Thank you.